Hello friends and welcome to Shaltech.
This is the OZMO Pro Oscillating system that is used for mopping in the ECOVACS DEEBOT T9 Plus Robo Vacuum. In order to use this, this attachment will go inside the DEEBOT, and we will be replacing the air freshener capsule, which is a similar attachment, only that it holds the air freshener, and that particular attachment is used for vacuuming. That air freshener capsule will get replaced in the DEEBOT with this mopping attachment, which is called as the OZMO Pro Oscillating system. Before we insert the system in the DEEBOT, what we need to do is to fill this reservoir up with water. So this is the inlet, and I'm going to put water inside it before I put it inside the DEEBOT. And after I fill it up with water, I'm going to attach this pad, which is a disposable microfiber pad, onto the OZMO Pro Oscillating system, and while mopping it will use that water as well as the microfiber mopping pad. So let's do this. So to pour water inside the reservoir, I simply use a cup or a mug. Do not put your OZMO Pro Oscillating system under water, and do not sort of rinse or put it directly under a lot of water. So now the water started spilling out of the reservoir, so I'm going to stop putting water in. So I have filled up the OZMO Pro with water. Now I don't particularly see here an indicator to show what is the level, so I've pretty much filled up the entire reservoir because my house does need that much water, and sometimes I find it's only cleaned or that is, it's only mopped half of my house, and the water in the reservoir finishes up, so I'll have to refill that if that happens. So the next thing after filling up the water in the reservoir is that we have to attach the mopping pad to it. So now the mopping pad does not have like a sticker or anything. I think you should just be able to place it and it should attach itself. So let's see if that happens. Yeah, that's what it is. So it will simply attach itself. This is like a coarse surface underneath it. So there you go. The DEEBOT currently has the air freshener capsule installed in the machine. So in order to start using the OZMO Pro Oscillating system and to do your mopping, we'll have to remove the air freshener capsule. Now the air freshener capsule does need to be installed in the DEEBOT if you're doing vacuuming, but if you're doing mopping, then the air freshener capsule needs to be removed and it needs to be replaced by this oscillating OZMO Pro system, which is the one that is used for mopping. So in order to remove this air freshener capsule, just have to press this button and it will come out, and then this one goes upside down like this.
OZMO Pro installed. Please move to a non-carpeted area to start. Starting charging.
So the DEEBOT has now given a message that the OZMO Pro Oscillating system for mopping is installed, and it's asked to move to a non-carpeted area to do the mopping. Now the DEEBOT does the mopping exactly the same way as it does vacuum cleaning. I haven't recorded the full mopping video in terms of how it goes about mopping the house, You can refer to the full house mapping video or the multiple maps video or the simple mapping video just to see how the DEEBOT goes about cleaning the house. It will mop exactly in the same way. Here you can see once the DEEBOT has finished mopping, it comes back to its charging station automatically and then it will auto empty into the dustbin. The links to the videos that I have just spoken about are all in the description. So you can check the description or you can go to my channel. Once the DEEBOT has finished mopping, it goes back to its charging station and auto empties into the dustbin if it has collected any dirt. Once the DEEBOT has finished mopping and it's back on its charging dock, remove the OZMO Pro Oscillating system by simply pressing the button downwards and reinstall the air freshener capsule. So this capsule needs to be installed.
Freshener has been installed.
Now we'll see if there is some water left inside the reservoir, very little, so we'll empty this one out, and the mopping pad does become quite dirty, so just have to take this mopping pad out and throw it away. So it will just come out, peel it off. To get more videos like this, as well as to help these videos reach many more people, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you and see you soon.